Okay, so I finished the kitchen project, and now I am back over here at the big project. So just a refresher course, that is the shower that we just finished. More 12 by 24 inch tile. That was fun. And we did a 1/3 pattern on it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you can see it's a rainy day. We were supposed to get a 1/2 inch of rain today, but that hasn't happened yet. So cool. Got our little half bath here. So that is the wall that's got to come out next week. Architect has an engineer working on the beam situation. If you remember from earlier video, if you are following along, we have to yank this wall out. A big beam goes across there, and now, since they want this wall here removed and all the plumbing with it, we need to yank the wall there and then put in another beam up there in place of the wall. And that is going to hold in the joists in here. And the joists over here are all running that way, and these ones run this way, and that's because of the plumbing. See, there's the toilet pipe up there, and this, and pipe for the bathtub. And so that's why the pipe for the floor joists change direction there. So Monday we're going to start taking this wall out. The customers will be emptying out their kitchen, so we're going to take that kitchen, cut the cabinets, and reposition them to be a kitchen in here. We just moved their little fridge and microwave from downstairs in the garage up into here, and we're going to put the kitchen sink there. The stove is going to plug into the dryer outlet, and then we'll reuse the countertop to go across there, and so they will have an adequate amount of cabinet to work with. And so that's it. Mitch picked up this linoleum or vinyl floor to go over the Duroc, 1/4 inch Duroc cement board that is under this, ready and waiting for tile. But this vinyl was only $50, and that'll kind of protect the Duroc underneath for when we get around to doing the tile. So anyway, see the arched doorways that we put in here too. That matches other arched doorways throughout the rest of the house. Okay, so anyway, it is Friday, and we are going to get the weekend started here. So, all right, big things happening next week. A lot of stuff is going to happen, so tune in and see what happens. A lot of beams and construction. All right, thanks for watching. See you on the next video. And just as kind of a refresher, this is in the downstairs in the double garage side. This is the home charging station for their electric car. That is a 240 volt 50 amp charger. And Mitch just installed this fire door between the garages. That is our main plumbing for the bathrooms and kitchen showers on this side of the house. This is the little entry here. There's my truck. And this is the single car side of the garage. There is the fire system, the orange pipe. Those are the electrical panels. This is the other side of the door separating the garages. This is where the existing house is through that door. And that is an abandoned garage there, which is now this building. And this is one of the big beams up here. Okay, let me walk outside here and show you. So this here is all the parking area. Remember the videos on all the excavation work. But there is the old house, and this is the new addition part of the house. I guess I have to step farther back to really take it in with the cell phone camera. Not as wide of an angle view. So there you go. But that paving stone parking area sure is nice. Remember, this all used to be grass sloped here. Now it's level. You can look back to older video and see how it used to be. You can see this whole project from when we tore down the old garage, to digging the foundation, to doing all the groundwork and framing and building her on up. So a lot of good video, a lot of good information if you're trying to build a house. Okay, and let the weekend begin. I will see you on the next video.